How to save someone's Telegram profile picture. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily save someone's Telegram profile picture to your phone's gallery. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Telegram app. And then once you're in your Telegram app, go to that person's profile of which you want to save the profile picture. So let's say, for example, if I want to save this person's profile picture, first tap on their chat, then here tap on their name, and then tap on their profile picture, and then here you will see their profile picture. So now to download and save to your gallery, you have to just tap on these three dots in the top right corner here, and then tap on save to gallery, and here it says photo saved to gallery. Now if I go to my gallery, and you can see that the profile picture is saved to my phone's gallery. So this is how you can save someone's Telegram profile picture. Thanks for watching.